And the date is the 28th of December 1994 on a Wednesday. We are in the clock tower of Schrafft. Take a look at the lovely view. We are on the 4th floor.
It's the video that took 4 years to make. Yes, indeed. It's Schrafft. Well, there you go. There's a close-up of one of those things. They're called balconies. And they are the most captivating thing about, well, letters. Nice. Very nice. And one of the traffic copters. And look at all the dishes we've got here. There's Associated Press. Oh, no way! No way! They got one! They got a DSS! Oh, a digital satellite system thing. No way! This is the original Schrafft's Candy Factory. What we refer to as Schrafft's Mom. And the factory that we're in, which the Schrafft family calls the New Factory, was actually made around a box factory. And it still amazes me. It's pretty neat. And it's windy. It's going to sound windy. Yes, it is. Now, if we take a look over here, we see that's Route 1. Looking out towards this I refer to as the stairway or the ladder to heaven. It is the ladder that leads up to the Schrafft's neon signs. And as you can see, it's quite high. Here we are. We are now on top of, we've climbed that ladder. I'm looking down. What an incredible view this is. And you're going to see more of that view in just a bit. So don't you go. We're looking inside the clock tower. Now this used to store, see those bumps on the floor? That used to be where storage containers for fire water and maintenance water were. But they're not there anymore. And there's the WBNW/WEEI microwave. And looking up here, we see these 3 little windows, and it goes all the way. This is looking north, and just over the expressway is Cambridge and Somerville and Middlesex County. We are in Suffolk County right now. Just beyond the highway is Middlesex, and that's Cambridge we're looking at. There you see a big road sign. I don't know what it says, but there's the hood plant. There's all the hood trucks. There's another big road sign. I still don't know what it says. It's a long way down. Whoa! Me falling. Whoops. Here's the athletic park. This is Route 99, I think. 99? Max, going to Everett. Here's the athletic park. What is this? This is new. That's interesting. Looks like a giant air hockey thing. There's Boston Edison. Boston Edison. And Everett. Here we are inside the clock tower once again. And those are one of 2 towers on the side. Those towers used to have ladies' rooms and men's rooms and showers in them. Back when this was a candy factory, the candy workers needed some place to get clean and change their clothes. Now we're going to turn around. We're going to show you inside here. And something very interesting I want you to take a look at. On this pillar, which you can barely see, is some of the original wallpaper that used to be here. It was on this very floor that there were the executive suites. Here's the executive elevator, which is no longer operative. And at the time, maybe we can shoot down the shaft here without tripping over anything. And at the time
there used to be a wood-paneled office. That was the office of the Schrafft executives. And that burnt down when Flatley was reconstructing the factory in 1984. These steps lead up to the top of the clock tower, which houses the clock, the actual clock. These steps and railings have been here, no doubt, since the beginning of the factory. You're looking at the inside of one of the clocks. There are two clocks on Schrafft's clock tower, one facing north and the other one facing west. The clocks were originally made of glass, but now they are made out of plastic in order to preserve them better. Those are the lights that bounce off the white background so you can see the clocks at night. If you take a look at this long pipe, I found the light switch. Look what time it is. There it is. See? See? Isn't that cool? Isn't that out of focus? Oh, there you go. That's what it looks like. And I think it's in focus, but I'm not sure. There we go. The clock tower of Schrafft. And as you can hear, it has amazing acoustics. Amazing acoustics. La la la. There it is. 3 little windows. Well, this is one of 2 ladders you have to climb to get up to the clock tower roof. Here, oh, there it is. I lost it. Here is the second one. And certain people are going, oh my gosh, what are you doing? I saw the sign. I saw the sign. I saw the sign. And here's the crank to get the roof door open. We'll see that in just a second because it's really low light. Again. In the words of Enigma, and the Lamb opened the 7th seal, and silence covered the skies. There's a ladder leading up. Oh, that's a better view of it. It would be better if it were focused. If it were focused. Okay, maybe I can't do it. Okay, whatever. This year, even though it was Christmas, they did not put the wreaths out. We don't know why, and we're really bummed out because Schrafft looks kind of cute with the clock tower all decked out. What a long way down! So cool though. There's a very large flag. Look at the sun, look at the color.